Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick beauty product review. Today I'm going to be giving a first impression of the cosmetic brand Juvia's Place latest creation. They have brought out a line of foundations, 45 shades to be exact, from extremely fair to extremely melanated shades. So I heard about it on Instagram. I actually do follow them. I have a few of their eyeshadow palettes. So when I heard about the new foundation that they brought out, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna need to try this out because thus far their eyeshadow palettes have not steered me wrong, so I have high expectations for the foundation as well. So currently they are being sold exclusively in many Ulta locations. Just so happened the one by my house actually carries the entire 45 shade collection. So I stopped in today and I picked up what is considered to be my shade. Now, for many of us melanated girls, we have a lot of hyperpigmentation in our faces. I actually have a bit of color corrector on as we speak. Therefore, the shade that I was matched with does not particularly match my skin tone on my face, but more or less on my neck, because when I put on my foundations, I like to blend into the majority of me as opposed to going dark and bringing the makeup down on my neck. Excuse me, guys. Okay, my husband is mowing the lawn. Thanks, honey. Okay, anyway, so out of all of the shades that they had, I was matched to this is shade 400, which is Ethiopia. I tried it in the store a little bit down on the side of my cheek. It matched into my neck tone, or at least under the lights in the store did. This is what it looks like. It is a 1 ounce tube. I will say I was slightly thrown by the price point for this one. It's 20 bucks. It's a really small container, like literally. It looks almost trial size. Yeah, it's $20 right now. You can use your $3.50 off coupon, as Ulta has not yet determined that this will be a prestige brand. Although the manager in the store told me that that could very well change, and they could move this one, depending on the popularity of it, they could move this one towards like the NARS and Smashbox and Urban Decay, depending on sales. So right now, if you want to try it, you can definitely use your $3.50 off coupon to help cover the cost. When I did that, tax included, it brought it down to like 18 bucks. Okay, so yeah, this is the container. Again, it is a 1 ounce container. It's extremely tiny for a $20 product. It says that this one is full coverage, and the directions suggest to apply product with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping and buffing motion all over the face. Okay, so I'm just going to try the foundation. I'm not going to contour or highlight or anything of that nature right now, but I definitely want to see how this one works up against the other brands that I typically use. Okay, so I have my wet sponge that I kind of used already to apply my color corrector. So let's see. I'm going to put a tiny amount on the sponge, and let's see what happens. Well, so far, we'll say it's pretty thick. I would probably advise using a brush, as they also suggest as well. And then after you have applied the product everywhere, using your damp beauty sponge to just kind of get it further into the skin, so that it doesn't look like it's sitting on top. Let's see. Looking directly, like in my mirror, it does not look bad. Yeah, it does not look bad at all. And although it suggests that it's matte, it doesn't have like that cakey texture to it where you look a little bit embalmed. Yeah. So let me apply just a tad bit more to the sponge. I'm gonna take that up into the forehead. Okay, so what do I think? For the $20 price point, again, I'm still kind of like, but you get what you paid for. And it's a really good brand. They have amazing advertisement that they do themselves on Instagram. So we definitely want to support them, or at least I do. So, I mean, the $20 cost, I'll eat that. I actually like it. I really do. Full coverage, I would say it got a little thickness to it. I still do see some of my skin imperfections, but that's okay. You can always build on, you know, your foundation using your different concealers and powders and whatnot. So yeah, for this one, I say this is a winner. Yeah, I actually like this. Yep. Doesn't look bad at all. So yeah, I'm a fan. The real test obviously is going to be, does it transfer onto your clothes? You know, how long can you wear the product without it actually having like your flashback, or like if you're oily like I am, how long would it take for your oil to kind of seep through and you start looking like a piece of fried chicken? So yeah, I will do a review video regarding the wear of the product, but in terms of the blendability, definitely how long it took for me to put it on, the color match, I like this one. I definitely like this one. So yeah, that is all I have for now. I will put a link to Ulta's website in the description box below, along with the description of some of the shades that they have. And as always, if you guys want to discuss this one, have any questions or critique about this video, put it in the comment box below. Until next time, you guys have a great one. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye.